Eba GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bramo. I hear Kweku Annan and the Micheal so to be a man, a Kennedy Agyapong, Bawumia, any Napo in a running meetings and send any Akufo-Addo. And yet, accepted one. Now, so let the Boadi and so we let's just say, so we subscribe to the channel and say over subscribe. Put your way on the say over and subscribe button. Now, a belly notification when Sammy video also once I ever can. After we are now, like to give us a thumbs up. Now, share my offer for us when you be now warned. After Yambura, a Sammy, a Kweku Annan, what is your software so the media not one that two now would you know and no and now. As a pidgin now, so for me, son of one car would it and cemetery and for one. Now, no, our place to go a booking descent and say, now, as of one go on anchor. I say, what you want to pack now or on the cheap. No, Kennedy is happening. No, and I would chase Kennedy to the point for any passer. Now, a year and before one running mate twins and Sammy. And also, I am simply now, you said, reporter and I did the two guys and I put a topic and so require that I know what to do. The Amani MP4 or done some to go another 80. Yes, I'm moving a year. Kweku Annan into some of the people so for so any Kennedy Agyapong into some of Kweku Annan into some.
The Ayatian is NIB, the National Investigations Bureau. One my investigation, my trust. One we CCCC Nanakono. Aya Ura Hwai. Akwanmo friend said, Dr. Napo. And NIB report nature say on no top range. So here running mates. Emma Hwai. Bawumia. Na Ghana for ase mo metra an kankyere mo. Mama metra efidie so an kankyere Ghana for say MPP for trum mu time. Bawumia and I'm going to be more running mate. Didn't I say this? Folks, man kankyere mo. I said nothing will change it. But then the question is that don't MPP for mamu benunu obia na monsere. Napo me betra catch him say Napo Dr. Matthew why opoku prempe and I'm going to be running mate no. By the way, NIB report to Efrahimfa. When you muhoya siri o mo muhoya siri. And a munkura politics we kumi who be that. Ghanaians, ask yourself, it's been how many days, weeks, months that the NPP should take or appoint the running mate to Bawumia? Why has it taken them such a long time? Almost, like I say, barely 5 months to go to the polls. Avina Mubeyi Bawumia. Why? Because NPP so Manapo ran for his money. Now, no, maybe a report to home. The same MPP for denies so no, and Yanekre. Sa Kwanwa Mupeja Ghanaians 60% of our whooping resources at the amount of Brian Agyapong. All right? Now, the likes of the Brian Agyapong are also giving this guy a run for his money. So, they have to quickly put out a report. Now, NIB reporting was that it's been a week. All this while, it's been how many days, weeks? Why the NIB has not produced a report? Now we are a week. Now we produce that report. No, you despicable, shameful people will not allow you people to ride on the shoulders of Ghanaians or play on the keyboard of Ghanaians' emotions. How dare you people? Mo pa munyi napo na me on na mepe. Because asam the whole channel. Now, folks, many a brefok ni imrewe. Hwe, mamen kasem. Before I may back off front line, let me do this with you tonight. Want to send a strong signal to these following men in the body of Christ to make themselves available and come help us do some clarification before time run out. As someone may can say, as software kuku damway amu mudi ebe pie. Me say munya mo available. Come and help us clarify and be me mind. And sana makwaye diameye na mukria muya mabekasa ha Kweku Annan wanye say because I've seen some before. But it does appear say these men in the body of Christ are still running helter skelter the first person Monfan into so your friend Bishop True appear on Odahono. He's been running for God knows how many. On my lawyer ni penny a person me bo lawyer ni din. A well respectable lawyer ebe din ejinemu. My lawyer ne frame me catch him say Kweku enna minti nyabotre na mehwe ma osofo penny wopie ema yatena se. Enu ano no. Oni lawyer no kosia wo play mu and wo dim komo na lawyer ne catch him say Kweku Annan minu ano no. Enu ano it's been how many weeks, months, Tetteh appear has disappeared on the radar. But I'm not ready to tell a story about him because you hear clarification. With Johnny, honor that honor. It is a winning baby or what? Bishop appear a true appear also a bishop. The winning baby or what? Munkan cheno. You hear it. Obey your clarification now. Depending, let me state this and state it strongly. Your clarification would depend on say, as some now can in the crow woman and the cranium, and they be informing what we are to do. Obuoma obe kan wasem wi a yehu se no ye de wasem no e collaborate de ye won a ground so na che say it is much about nothing say see ye de asem de to baby, that's all. And the crow woman ye be hu the cranium a na ye de be nanso oba from so omumra no wo mumma na won wa ma na afide wo koye de wo koye a ne we be gina bonten mu de bi ye me during my time e wo Net2 TV me boa yeah no mu wi a no ma be catch us oh me ni Kweku Annan akohia me mani sika me ye say the next person I also as a sober clarification we are looking for you is the general overseer Emma sorry ben the Makers Chapel Reverend Wine Michael Boadi Nyamekye, we are waiting for you. Now let me stay a while longer with this guy. Michael Boadi Nyamekye, let me tell you something with the greatest of respect. Do not, I repeat, do not try to use my face like a rag to mop the floor. I swear to God. So one home. By the time I'll be through with you, you are going to suffer the worst part of the credibility and integrity deficit all through your life. And that church called the Makers Chapel will be a cookie scramble. Read my lips. Anywhere, me say, anywhere, I'll be ready to go with you, including International Court of Justice or Hague. I'll be there. Don't try me, okay? Me one of those journalists. Listen to me. Me one of those journalists. What is sikafia bi anase? Mudi ehunehuna. And now whatever don't you try do this again. Reverend Nyamekye, Boadi Nyamekye, obi nim na on kan say I said this. Baby, I have already stated me say come to the CTV. Come and do your clarifications. As someone we know what to do. But don't sit on the touch lines. Now when you're basa, I respect you a lot. Do not try to reduce me like some rag out of mobile floor. Don't try it. I Net2. And Net2 no munya muhu a brand exposé ni be call the peak no munya muhu any Kwabena Agyapong Kennedy Agyapong ekotra ho edi samfon enya muhu teteye enamahu na wie Kennedy Agyapong. The so-called the man of integrity, the so-called the man of credibility, the so-called the man of the truth, and then so shameful. He has misled over thousands and hundreds of supporters all to the abyss. Me Kweku Annan. Minini mi enhu na oka ne kra ne. Obi so Kweku beje obo enenchamo na ebeje mahumanim guase. So despicable. He led about hundreds and thousands, all their hope to them in the promised land today. Why then? And another story, another story for another day. At the time when we wanted Ghanaians to know what is going on in the body of Christ, before the very eyes of everybody, no platform, so also because of their political position. Now, so me so my way, one more essay on my way. Politicians and this renowned men of God, some of them. And you think me, Kweku, scared? Master, it will take more than such men of God in this country. I don't care more occultism though. I know all of you. Me say beyond more occultism, beyond your powers in the darkness. That's why exposé matudin the workers of iniquities, because I know a lot. Minim diamuye now. Minim diamuye. Now listen, before I will come and sit here or anywhere that I've gone, and now I was born and ushered in the realms of the Spirit of God to do this job. It's anything that is prepared by God. Now the way Nyankopon nipa una osio. Now sanso no bonsam and eto nsadidie. Now say abrante no to mekwa akose no go. Ebra ne ye expose ne sa. Amanfo ye nema bebre. People there are lots of things. Mo bo huhumu to ina na amunim. There were some men of God who could do all spiritual mo bo huhumu to one more tias ne tiase. There were some renowned men of God that who naked go before the sea because your powers that you drive to do all your miracles is coming from the sea goddess. Me say until Ghana will be rescued, this is like a warfare that we've declared, and I accept the challenge. The next person, Reverend Nyamekye, please respect yourself. Boo, you choose to sit, we get everything, or you decide that you keep quiet and then allow us to do our job. Do not give us any definition that does not define our personified who we are. Don't change the narrative. Reverend Nyamekye of Maker's House, because Nyame Patawa wohu. Me say the next thing will be like a cookie scramble. The whole that and so na musisini na moye necha me Kweku Nyemeni so. I don't respect any so-called church in Ghana. No. Me nsuromu. Mama baby no. The next person I hear hwehwaw. Our baby clarification. Why? Reverend Lawrence Tetteh. Lawrence Tetteh. Ye twen. Me makacho wuntimi nwane. Ewo Ghana. You can run but you can't hide. Reverend Lawrence Tetteh, you can't hide. Come out. Brabe kan ne kura bi kire Ghana for. A rabbi and a wuko Congo. Kwakye crusader. You call the lady on phone on WhatsApp line. Now she may run and that time with me and say, "Oh, you rabbi, who is this lady?" That Lawrence Tetteh, you wanted to do this too. And why is it that we wanted to investigate this case? What? At the time when I was on radio, that was where Oko Frey, another bishop in Duncan Williams Chapel called Bishop Kwe, to come and front that issue, and Lawrence said to Bishop Kwe of Action Chapel, and Lawrence said to friend is Lawrence said to me said that. Then the next thing was Lawrence started to go and call the management of FP Communications, Air Hot FM, for them to shut that story and close that story. Yempesa story never. And up to 5 o'clock. No, sorry. Or called for Trasaku Ekohu, the chief executive radio station Yanedia. And then the radio station officials also manage said no, Asemno, the Ombeyanis will be trusted, and no muchaso. Kweku Annan, don't say this story again. Just as like Kennedy Agyapong did to me, on Net2 TV. And then you trust, bam, Mintimian Kabium. Lawrence Tetteh to me and who available that. Lawrence Tetteh, I'm asking you another question. Have you impregnated somebody's wife in London? Lawrence Tetteh, what was the business between you and Sonny Badu? How much was involved? And how much did you take away? The rest, I'll put it here. Folks, may they also for the NBC. Now, may catch them. When you're ready. Nobody born by a woman. Wait me, threaten me. I am even ready to go to that in Sawum. Ready. Send a beer met me a cancer me ye more. And to know your address, how they will call to some and why barricade of Debe Ebe threatening. This body has been fortified well by God, not by Satan kingdom. Any more cultism, some namu and you try it. Those of you who shot gun at the darkest of the night, spiritually, And those of you who went before the sea goddess, the marine kingdom, to seek their power, anyejuma, ye nwa ye numu, but onyankopon adom ni tumi, and in the humobro, when him see a beck can crazy at Ghana for, he has prepared us before. Tomorrow, often with the moose and the tremor.
Yo, it is for winning, and somewhere Kweku Annan and the 2 Ghana was certain in this year, so for the show, and none of the I want some of the 2 Ghana, what to do money a Kennedy Agyapong. Because GC so, and I will hello, so we don't subscribe. Let's just say, always subscribe and I like it. Now, I share video, I'm offer for so in now. What? Also, let me actually what in offer here, so we will home. I will comment box in Boadi make a view in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.